Whose fridge is it? Go!
Welcome to Riot X's favorite game show, Whose Fridge Is It? On today's show, we will have you, the audience, guessing at which fridge belongs to which Riot X cast member. Each fridge is worth 200 points. Keep track of your score at home and post what you get in the chat at the end. You will get 15 seconds to vote each time. Up first is this fridge here. Some highlights include a loaf of bread from When Pigs Fly, vanilla Orgain protein drinks, and a Distraction Brewery Raspberry Wonder Tart Berliner Weiss. So, with that in mind, only answer the question for question one. Whose fridge is it? Matt, Kristen, Joe, Josh, Salva, or Mayrose's family? Oh, hold on. That's not what's supposed to happen. Here we go. Relaunch. All right, go ahead and vote now. Just do number one. That's all you need to do. Oh, you can only do it for one.
Yeah, I don't think it works that way.
You know what? Just post in the chat which one you think it is. All right, the correct answer is Joe. It is, in fact, Joe's fridge. My fridge, indeed. All right. Next up is, here, I'll share the results so you can see the possible options. For fridge number two, all right, so next, some highlights of this fridge include Stop & Shop brand Greek whole milk yogurt, a jar labeled ginger, and a very full-looking produce drawer. Please vote now in the chat. All right, the correct answer is Kristen. Next. Some highlights of this fridge include Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, baby spinach, 3 cartons of eggs, and a dairy creamer. Please vote now. Do you think it's Mayrose's family? Do you think it's Josh, Salva, or Matt? All right, looks like people are saying Mayrose's family largely because there's a lot of stuff in there, and they are correct. All right, next up. Some highlights of this fridge include 365 brand organic almond milk, maple syrup, and a mysterious white bucket. Do you think it's Matt, Josh, or Salva? All right. The answer is that it is Matt's fridge. Matt's fridge. All right, and finally, this fridge features Trader Joe's coconut beverage, hummus dip, and sunflower seed butter. All right, is this Salva or Josh's fridge? All right, and the answer is that it is indeed Salva's fridge. Well, awesome job, everybody. So, hopefully you were keeping track of your score at home. You feel free to drop how many points you got in the chat. And remember, no matter how many points you got, everyone is a winner here today at Whose Fridge Is It? Curtin.